The story, shopping for new clothes. My name is Emily, and I love clothes. Last Saturday, I went shopping with my mom to buy some new clothes for school. First, we went to a big store in the city. There were so many clothes to choose from. I saw shirts, pants, dresses, and jackets. I needed some new pants, so I looked at all the different colors. I found a pair of blue jeans that I liked. They were soft and comfortable. Next, I wanted to buy a new shirt. I found a pink shirt with a small flower on it. My mom said it looked very nice on me, so we bought it. I also tried on a red jacket. It was warm and perfect for winter. After that, we went to the shoe section. I saw many shoes, sneakers, boots, and sandals. I chose a pair of white sneakers because they go well with everything. They were easy to walk in, and I liked them very much. When we got home, I showed my dad what we bought. He said I looked great in my new clothes. I like wearing my new jeans and pink shirt. They are my favorite clothes now. I enjoy shopping for clothes because I can find things that make me feel good and look nice. My favorite colors to wear are blue and pink. I also like clothes that are comfortable and easy to wear.